Oh my God, you guys, we're on day 20. Jesus Christ. Yes, Jonathan? What? Day 28, Jesus wept. We're almost there, you guys. This is Ashura, and the clip that you saw before was her with glow, and this is the clip without glow. The clip with glow is like an updated goth type of version. You know, we're in the glow season, but I really love it matte. I don't like it with the glow at all. So this is how I would normally do my brows, and let me tell you, this is how I do Ashura's makeup. This is how I would normally do my makeup, and I was a little bit uncomfortable doing it for her how I would do it for me, but I was like, you know what, let me just bite the bullet on this one and just do it how I would normally do my makeup. So this is my fawn. This is my, what's it called, LA Pro Concealing Fawn. And as you guys saw, I used the brown eyeliner pencil to do her brows. And I'm going in with the black, just how I would do mine. And the reason I'm going with the black is because I drew her brows a little bit higher, so that she could have that nice arch. And she's kind of missing brow hairs. Her brow hair is really, really sparse. So I had to compensate for that. So I went in with the black so that everything will blend a little bit more seamlessly. So now I'm doing her brows just as how I would do anybody else's brows. But, you know, I'm keeping it in there lest they say I am a liar. So again, I'm using LA Pro Conceal in Fawn, and I'm just going to blend out around her brows right now. I'm trying to talk loud because Jonathan is in the background talking up a storm. So I'm using my Shades by Girl eyeshadow base. I don't think they have this on the site anymore because when I went there to look, I didn't see it at all. So maybe they're in the middle of a restock. I'm not quite sure, but you can hit them up on Instagram and ask. Their Instagram is Shades by Gal, and Gal just means Grace and Long, the owner's name, which I thought was genius in naming it Shades by Gal, because in Jamaica Gal is girl, and like, you know, Gal, you know, too much. Okay, so I'm going underneath her brows just so that area of her brows stand out some more, because she does have hooded eyes. As her primer, I'm going to be going with my Becca prime. Oh God, you want help, Papa? Listen, I'm not annoyed being a mother. I'm just, I'm leaving all of this in so you guys can see the struggle. It took me about 15 minutes all of us. I can come here and do this voiceover without Jonathan asking me for help every 5 seconds. So I use the primer in strategic areas because she has oily skin, but mostly on her in her T-zone and on her cheeks. And I'm using this technique. This is how I do my foundation, you guys. And this is excuse me, this is the very first time I'm using this technique on a client, and I'm glad I'm doing it for this video. So the powder I used was my Sacha Buttercup with my white beauty blender, and this excuse me, my throat. This is Hazelnut from Black Opal, their stick foundation, and I'm also going to be using Carob, again from Black Opal, and this is their stick foundation as well. Both are from Fontana Pharmacy. Yeah, and my what's it called again? The gem blender, right? And I'm using my gem blender on her, and you know, I never doubted the gem blender 1 minute, but I was afraid to use it on a client because it's just a weird feeling. And if it's just a really weird, it's not a sponge where it's soft or a brush where it's soft. It's like this silicone thing, you know, so it's kind of awkward. So I'm using my Black Opal, my LA Pro Conceal in Fawn to do all her highlighting. And I was wondering if I really wanted to highlight all the areas as I did, but they did it anyway. I went under, if you notice on her chin, I didn't bring it all the way down to her chin because she has a nice prominent chin, but I did put it under her lip to bring out that area of her lip, some underneath her lip some more, because her lips are really nice and thick and full, and they kind of overlap, so it casts a shadow there. So I put that white there, the highlighter, sorry, just to bring that area out some more. So that's what her face looks like with the highlighting. So now I'll be setting the highlighted areas with my Sacha Buttercup, again with the same damp beauty blender, the white beauty blender that I used earlier on. And then I'll be going in with my foundation in 600 medium from Fontana Pharmacy. The Sacha Buttercup is from Fontana Pharmacy as well. Yes. You want to give the uncle the bottle? Okay, walk in the kitchen and give him. Walk in the kitchen. Okay. So I'm using my flat top brush and I'm just applying, oh gosh, my black opal 600 deep, and I'm using the same brush just to blend out the Sasha Buttercup. So I'm just blending it out. I'm not adding anything, but I'm using the same brush because it has the black opal powder on it already, so it kind of kind of give the Sasha Buttercup not that much of a yellowy harsh look. So I'm using my I Love makeup palette from LA Colors, and I've been using this in most of my tutorials, mostly because it's a palette that's just sitting out on the vanity. By vanity I mean a little strip of thingy draped over my son's diaper boxes, but anywho, I digress. So this is what she's laughing in timing with what I just said. So this is the palette that I've been using, and I use this palette 3 different ways on 3 different eye type. Well, her eye type is similar to mine. She has hooded eyes. The only thing is her brows are nice and thick, and I don't have nice thick brows. So this eye makeup is rather straightforward. So I'm just going to allow some music to play and spend some time with my son, because he's being very please spend some time with me. So yeah.
Captivity. No, I don't think that's liberty. So I need freedom, spiritually. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. Can't bother with the war and the crime. Can't bother you but mind me for mine. Can't bother every time when me try to step up in on the line, you pull me down as me climb. Can't bother with the seats and the lies. Me own a friend want me meet me demise. Can't bother when the gun them arise and people are dead. Me can't sleep in my bed. Can't bother for you run from police. Can't bother with the war and no peace. Can't bother call me live out of east. Me can't go away from the wood and be a deceased. Can't bother for you live behind bars. Like me freedom the way behind bars. Me try to move forward, but it's like say me stuck in a traffic or me dey behind cars.
Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free, yeah. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. They say that we are free, but I'm still searching for my freedom. It's not working. Although you see me smiling, I'm still hurting, yeah. Free I need, free I need to be free. I need to be free. I need to be free.
Can't bother for living a poverty. Can't bother me not even have a key. Not even for a piece of jalapeno or a little load pan a piece of property. Can't bother when I me the camp a pray. Like so them want beat me with my country. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like say me like away. Can't bother for your work like a slave. Friday come and me no get a proper pay. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like we find another way. Can't bother for your live behind bars. Me freedom the way behind bars. Me try to move forward, but it's like say me stuck in a traffic and me dey behind cars. I say free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. And I say only for stuff we need to be free from. Free from mental slavery. Free from all this crime and violence. Free from sin. And all these things. Now I mean, I wanna be free. Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. Cause I wanna be free. Wanna be free. I wanna be free. Free I need to be free. Cause I wanna be free. God bless. My boy DJ. Yeah, I met some scriptures. Bible. I'ma say Isaiah. Read and Isaiah. Yeah man. I for make a joyful Isaiah. Hear me a say no. Lord I'm a shepherd, all of my friend them a be a lamb. We know this so be a God, we know be a lamb. We are like Abraham. No say when the Lord stay long, him a go make a way ram. If I never hear on, God wouldn't appear unto me like Moses. Bush burning like Samson, me determined fi kill evil with me beer on. God a God from day one. I know man is an island unless them a Cayman. Make me put this in a layman term. If I never Jesus me, that be a layman. See man who carry the children, them in a Canaan. Everybody feel up the Lord rain, man, him able for wipe all the stain off a Canaan. Him fall rain and make heaven and earth are the first thing me learn in a grade 1. Hey, me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Why him go fi joke, no me nah go forget. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Tell them me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. And you, the wages of sin that are debt. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. If I never Jacob be a club, me with a floss in a one party with a cause in my PS stub, AK submachine. God wash me off in the love machine. If you look, you see a base hood. Jesus dead pon the cross, waste blood. Fan him head and him palm and him waste blood. Vampire who a walk and a taste blood over our doorway with paste blood. Can't do me nothing like Daniel in the den. And a prophet like Samuel. And even if me drive hard, me no crash like a hard drive. Like say me the inna the Dell. If I never David, I would the Bible. You say me what day with a would a AK with a banana clip. I play with like gorilla. Feel way big when me a travel like Gulliver. Me wouldn't have no heart, no liver. Dirty Babylon with a freak out and go liver. Following me that make blood a run like dungeon. Never Malachi. My ties, me woulda have a buy shoes and clothes and a eye book, me swagger fly. But if me don't show me one thing, you see like how a criminal a rob a guy. So me rob the other night and Ananias and Sapphire. Rob up the offering and a lie me with a dirty like in the August tie. Me wouldn't want to give God a try. If you save and a try, save me no bother try. If I never Jesus, things with a sticky like beeswax. Me wouldn't read Matthew Mark, wouldn't read Acts. Now go a hell that 100 degrees max. Deal with the devil dread like Bob Marley's locks. Satan salt like him get a sea breeze box. I salt like me daughter Destiny snacks. Devil want me go mad and a freeze box. Funeral I keep so me get with a these glocks. You want the Lord see me on say see Jobia. When nothing nah go on me nah go walk Obia. Me nah come off of the road because me don't have no uranophobia. Hey, me nah worry I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ he never fail me yet. Why him go fi joke no me nah go forget. Jesus Christ he never fail me yet. Tell them me nah worry I know me nah fret.